Hello friends, welcome back to my video. In this video, we will be learning an interesting topic on economics. So let's get started. So starting with introduction, today we'll be discussing RBI reviews monetary policy amid inflation pressure and global economic uncertainty. Introduction. The Reserve Bank of India has recently viewed its monetary policy in response to rising inflation and global economic uncertainty. As prices continue to go up, the central bank is trying to strike a balance between controlling inflation and supporting economic growth. This situation has become more challenging due to unpredictable global conditions. Second point, inflation concern. Inflation has been picking off over the past few months, mainly due to higher food and fuel prices. This has started to put pressure on household budgets, especially for middle class families. If inflation is not controlled, it can slow down overall economic process. RBI role. The Reserve Bank of India plays a key role in managing the country's economy. It uses tools like interest rate to bring down inflation and maintain stability. By taking timely action, the RBI tries to keep things under control and prevent economic shock. Interest rate decisions. One of the main steps taken by RBI is adjusting interest rates. Increasing interest rates can cut down the spending and reduce inflation. However, higher rates can also hold back business investment and slow economic growth, which makes the decision quite complex. Global fifth point is global economic impact. Global uncertainties such as conflicts and trade issues has added to the problem. This factor often drive up the cost of imports like oil, which directly affects inflation in India. As a result, RBI must deal with both domestic and international challenges. Number 7, impact on common people. Rising inflation has a direct impact on common people. Daily expenses are going up and savings are getting affected. Many families are trying to cut back on unnecessary spending to manage their budgets more effectively. Number 7 is future outlook. Looking ahead, the RBI is expected to keep a close watch on inflation trends and global developments. It may take further steps depending on how the situation unfolds. A careful and balanced approach will be necessary to ensure long term stability. Number 8, conclusion. In conclusion, the RBI's monetary policy review highlights the seriousness of inflation and economic uncertainty. By taking proactive measures, the central bank aims to bring stability back to economy. Strong policies and timely decisions will help India move forward despite global challenges. Okay. So here are the 10 important words or phrases from the paragraphs we easily explain and will be learning what are the different phenomena and components. So let's get with inflation. Inflation means increase in prices of goods and services over time. Okay, that is we are calling that phenomena as inflation. Number 2, monetary policy. Steps taken by Reserve Bank of India to control money and economy. Okay, it's the step basically taken by the RBI to take control that. Okay. Number 3 is interest rate. The cost of borrowing money from banks. That is nothing but interest rate. Number 4, economic growth. Increase in country's production and economy. Number 5, uncertainty. It is a situation where future is not clear or unpredictable. Number 6, pick up. This is a fragile word. Pick up means to improve gradually. So note it down all these words. Number 7 is cut down. Fragile verb to reduce something like spending or cost. That time we'll be using cut down expenses. Okay. Number 8, put pressure on. This is also a phrase. What does it mean? Put pressure on means to cause stress or difficulty for someone or something. That is called put pressure on. Number 9 is global economy. The economy system of all countries in the world is nothing but global economy. Number 10, stability. A condition where things are steady and not changing suddenly. So this is stability. This is the basic word we already know, right? So in this way, we'll be learning the topics and we'll be just learn the words also in a simple and easy way. So hope you find this video useful. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you later on next video. Bye bye.